So he drew this by hand. This is not something you're gonna go out online and find. This is your artwork. Nobody else is gonna have this artwork. Yeah, you know them?
I have no idea what they are.
I got them on camera, whoever they are. What's up, guys? This is Warrior Uzumaki, and I'm here representing Stance Magazine. Now, I know I look a little weird because I'm in character. I'm really trying to come out of my shell and do something different. But while I'm out and about, I was able to track down Seifu Lonzo.
Yes, indeed.
Introduce yourself, man.
Hey, I'm Seifu Lonzo, aka the Black Bruce Banner, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I have the Hulk themed car. I'm out here in Houston right now, man, for Lone Star Mopar Fest.
Lone Star Mopar Fest. That's right, you are a Mopar guy, right?
Yes, sir.
And you know, I look at the Mopars and I see, like, I'm gonna show you guys something. Don't let this blow your mind. But I see beautiful cars like this one, and I'm gonna turn on the light just so you can see that reflective. You see how that reflective came on right there? Look at that, look at that, look at that. Like, that's crazy, right? But you see cars like this, and you see cars like this. Mopar seems to be dominate with the amount of themed cars that are being turned out left and right. We can't forget the Captain American car back here with the lights flashing.
Yep.
You know, it's just crazy how much Mopar is hitting the Atasha world. And I know you guys hate me calling these cars Atasha, but in America, and I'm saying that, in America, this is Atasha. It's more than just anime. It's what we're doing it, and we decide what that is. And Seifu Lonzo is one of the guys from Dallas that's really leading the way right now. Now, I'm not gonna say that you're the first one in Dallas that's doing the themed car, because we know that there's been other people. There's been other people everywhere doing everything. But right now, I think you might have one of the hardest cars in Dallas.
Oh, I appreciate that, man. Appreciate that.
Really?
Appreciate that,
Look, man, I'm serious. Like, you've gotten me thinking about rewrapping my car just because I want to compete with what you've done.
And then, you know, it's funny because I don't know if they remember the first time that you did a review on my car. Total difference.
I'll be honest with you, man. That video still hasn't posted. That video's posting, like, I'm doing Anime Matsuri this week, right now. So that was a car show I did right before I did the Demonology event. Then I do my Wheels video, and then I do the Demonology video.
Oh, okay.
So it's like, it's gonna be back to back because I'm trying to double up on my videos now. I've been taking it slow, but that's the beauty about YouTube. You can record a collaboration video with somebody at any point in time and then release it. I don't know if you watched Casey Neistat's new video. Have you seen it?
No, I haven't.
The dude drove one of those brand new space age Mercedes-Benzes, right? And when he drove it, he started off his video so cool. And what I like about Casey Neistat, and I'm giving him a shout out, even though he's not gonna watch this video, is the way he tells his story, right? He starts off telling the story and you wanna follow him all the way through because of how he does things. And what he did was he started off in his old truck, just saying, you know, all right, guys, here, blah, blah, blah. And then he jumped back and he said, I recorded this video 1 year ago, but it's so freaking dope. I'm gonna release it right now and I want you guys to see it. And it was of that new Mercedes-Benz. The thing was like, had LEDs everywhere. It was like freaking dope. And he got like it's Casey Neistat, so you know he got like 1 million views in like 2 days. But
right.
you know, that's where I aspire to be. And that's like, that's where we're all trying to get to that point to where we're making that bank from 1 or 2 videos, where I can do 1 video a year and then be straight.
Instead of trying to post every day, it's kind of hard.
Dude, it does, you know. So yeah, I just like that about YouTube. It's like, even though a lot of people will try to get you to think that you gotta, like, you can post every day. It does work. It does. But you can record as much as you want, and you are in control of how you put it out, because you're the producer, you're the director. You decide your schedule. And that's beautiful. But anyway, that's enough about that rant. I don't even know if that's gonna make the video because I went off on a tangent there. But man, tell me about your car. Like, I know that this is the Hawk, but where did you get these scenes for?
My rap guy, A to Z Raps.
A to Z Raps.
He's out in Garland, Texas. He's currently looking for another shop, but he's still in Garland, Texas right now. So he came up with the design, actually. All I did was drop off the car and told him, I don't care what you do, I just want to hook this.
So you gave your artist freedom.
Freedom.
And that's what's up. That's the way I work too.
So, and I told him I would like it reflective. He was like, okay, cool. Well, 3M has this new reflective wrap. I haven't seen anybody do it. I want to do it on your car.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
So he did that. And I told him, I don't want to see nothing. I don't want to see no renderings. I said, I want to get the same reactions as my supporters get, you know? So when I went and seen what he did, it blew me away. It blew me away because I wasn't expecting this. Because all this he hand drew and then put it on the computer and then cut it out like that.
So he drew this by hand. This is not something you're gonna go out online and find. This is your artwork. Nobody else is gonna have this artwork.
Yeah.
And that's dope right there.
Yep. So he said he wanted to do the comic book version on this side, and then on the other side we have the movie version.
So man, it's kind of crazy the way that reflective is picking up on the camera. It's like with the light on the side right here, it's like as soon as it hits it, it's just like, bam. So this is the movie version. From which version? Because that's what a nerd would know. A nerd would know which movie it came from.
So this one was from...
Oh, you gotta think about it. You gotta think about it.
I'm trying to think which Avengers one was it. I think it was the first Avengers.
It looks like the first one.
First one, yeah.
All right.
First one. I'm big on Avengers. I love that. I can watch it all day. But so originally, a lot of people don't know this, but the Hulk is my wife's favorite character.
It's not your favorite character?
Wolverine is my favorite.
Why are you the black blues browner?
Because I mean, I got to support what my wife like, and the car was green, so instead of, because I like that color so much, I didn't want to cover up the whole car and wrap it a completely different color. So as I was thinking, I was like, you know, well, my wife likes the Hulk, so that's what we went with it.
That makes a lot of sense. I like that. So when she gets her car, she's gonna do Wolverine. She gonna do She-Hulk? Because you know they're coming out with that.
Yeah, I seen it. I'm excited about that. She would do the She-Hulk just because I have the Hulk, but she's really into Naruto and all. Like, she's really big.
She's on the anime side.
She she'll watch it all day, every day.
That's what's up, man.
That's all she watches.
So your household is like a mix. It's like a house full of nerds, and that's what it's about, because you guys respect the cartoons, the comics, and the anime. And that's some American shit right there. Yeah. And if you don't like it, deal with it. You know where to find me at. Worry Uzumaki TV or AKA Karmacon. You know. But Seifu Alonso has been a real good supporter of everything that I've been doing. And I really wanted to make him one of the first interviews that I did for Stance Magazine.
I really appreciate
you know.
That. Oh, we got something new too. This was done.
I saw the video.
Got done at 5 o'clock in the morning before I came here. So the way he did it was it's kind of vice versa. So right here on the back wheel, and so all this right here is reflective, and so he did the insert. So this is actually a template he made.
Wow.
So if anybody has this set of wheels, you can get that on there. It's a template, you know. So he did it this way because he said he didn't want to take away from the chrome.
Yeah.
So as we go to the front wheels, you see this right here? This is actually vinyl. This is not my chrome. That's vinyl.
What?
That's vinyl. Yeah.
Oh, I can see it now.
Yeah, that's vinyl.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
Yeah, so he said, you know, he wanted to make it vice versa, so he did the lip like a satin purple, and then overlaid it with like some protected sealing. So like, you know, when you change a tire or something like that, it won't mess it up.
Mm-hmm.
So, the F is also reflective. And he came up with yellow because it pops.
Wait, that's actually wrapped? I thought that was painted.
That's right.
Dude,
all that's completely wrapped.
Dude, I thought that was painted.
Yeah.
I swear to God, I thought that was painted. I thought that's what everybody was doing, getting there.
That's why we call him Jay the Rap guy. Actually, all these cars right here, he wrapped all of these cars.
I knew about him, and I didn't know about Scat Pack Black.
Yep. Scat Pack Black was actually the first one to go to him.
Really?
His last car, that was the first car that, you know, any of us in the crew did. So, yeah, Scat Pack Black is the pioneer. That's how we all know about Jay, Scat Pack Black.
All right. So so far, like, man, look, I can tell you right now, let me turn on this light, because it's bright. Jesus Christ. It gets brighter. So, I'm gonna be honest with you. When I ride around in my Hellcat, it does kind of feel a little weird. It took me a little while to get used to it. Now it's comfortable for me to do it because, you know, you get so much love when you're riding around Houston. I don't know about Dallas. Like people see your car, they show you a lot of love. But at first, did you feel a little bit uncomfortable riding around in the themed car? Like, cause this is an extreme change from what you had.
I did. The first time, I'm used to it now. But the first time I got my wrap, I was like, man, man, this is crazy. Now everybody, you know, they know it's me now.
Ain't no other car like this.
So that first night riding home, I felt kind of weird.
Yeah.
I did. But once I started getting all the love and stuff like that,
it changes.
It motivated me to go, you know, even harder. And shout out to Hulk Toner, because me seeing your car last year at Mopar Fest made me do what I do.
That lit the flame.
That lit the flame.
Hey, that's what's up. Hulk Toner's a really good guy, man. He's actually.
I still haven't got to link up with him, man.
You'll probably see him at Mopar. Like, he's been doing more shows now because of the COVID thing and everything getting canceled. So he'll probably be out at Lone Star Mopar.
Okay.
I'm pretty, like, I don't know if he's gonna be. I know he's gonna be like, at the Comic-Con that I'm doing in Beaumont. He's gonna be there. So I don't. He should be at. He's been at everything. Like,
we talked. He said he was supposed to be here tonight, but I don't know. Maybe
I didn't see him.
I didn't either.
I got there late though.
Yeah. Well, I was doing some other stuff, but yeah, I didn't get to see him. So, but yeah, man, it's a lot more coming to the car. I'm not done by a stretch. Got a lot more coming, so y'all just stay in tune, man. You know, we got a lot of dope stuff coming, man.
All right.
I really appreciate you having me on the channel too. For real, it means a lot, man.
That's what's up, man. Like, trust me, man. It's no big deal, because, like I said, Sayful Alonso is one of the biggest supporters out there of not just my channel, just about anybody channel who's in his circle. He's watching. He always says when you go into one of his lives, hit that subscribe button, or Hulk smash that subscribe button, and support the people in the chat.
Yep.
You know, and some people do it, and some people don't. It doesn't bother me if you do it or you don't do it. But I appreciate you if you did it. You're here with us now. But dude, like, this is one of the realest ones for me anyway.
Appreciate that.
You know,
appreciate that. It means a lot, man. It means a lot.
So before we go, like I say, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna transcribe it out, and just so you guys know, and I'm gonna turn this into an article for Stance Magazine. Anything else you want the people over in the UK to do? Because Stance Magazine is a UK-based magazine.
Okay. Basically, man, I want y'all to just support, man. Just support the movement. You know, we put a lot of money into these cars. It's a hobby for me. You know, I enjoy doing it. So the money, yeah, that'll be cool too. But you know, it's just about building the car, man. Building a rapport with everybody you're around. Because in this car scene, there's no color.
Exactly.
We're all one. So I just want to keep doing that, man. Let's keep everything positive. And y'all, man, just live your best life, you know.
You know, and on that too, to the guys over in the UK, because I know you guys are gonna either see this video or read this video. I mean, read everything that's going on. Support us. I mean, we are here. We're doing something different, and for our trends to pick up over there. And if you guys have any trends that you want us to like take notice of, if it's dope, we're gonna do it over here. It doesn't matter what it is. Like, you show us love, we show you love, and that's just what it is.
Exactly.
You know. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. How do they find you one more time, man?
Hey, Sayful Alonso on Instagram and YouTube, man. I am the Black Bruce Banner. Subscribe to the channel. Let's go.
And that's what's up. You know, I almost did this one in one take, but you know, I still got to do some editing because I think we said some stuff maybe I shouldn't have said. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I love you. Ciao. And there you go.